Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Fit brake pads. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Always loosen lug nuts slightly before jacking, then lift and support the car on jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and hardware for wear. Keep all hardware organized and follow torque specs when reassembling to ensure safe braking performance. Gather the right tools and inspect components before you start to avoid surprises. Use a torque wrench for accurate lug nut and caliper bolt tightening. Measure rotor thickness and look for deep grooves or warping that require machining or replacement. Test caliper slide pins for smooth movement and replace any torn dust boots. If hoses are cracked or leaking, plan to replace them to maintain safe hydraulic function. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days under the car. I use them when crawling into tight wheel wells and they hold up great. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the caliper bolts and gently hang the caliper using a bungee or wire to keep tension off the brake hose. Slide old pads out, note any shims, and clean the bracket surfaces. Compress the piston until it is fully seated so the new pads fit easily. Reinstall pads and hardware, torque caliper bolts and lug nuts to spec, lower the car, and pump the brake pedal slowly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.